Today we are having our competitive bowling league. It's the TGIF Bowling League. We have 48 bowlers. Yes! It's a competitive bowling league for individuals with disabilities. We have individuals that use wheelchairs, individuals that are blind, individuals that are hard of hearing, and a multiple variety of disabilities.
Okay.
I've been bowling for 25 years.
You want it like that?
Yeah.
A little bit over that.
A little bit that way.
Yeah.
I'm here bowling for Parks and Rec.
Oh, it's something that he looks forward to all week long.
Okay, Brett, show us your stuff, buddy.
Brett is the sweetest, kindest, gentlest person in the world. Very enthusiastic, very hard worker. He was until his accident.
Well, I was coming home from work at 2:45 in the afternoon, and I got hit from behind from a drunk driver.
So it was devastating, the accident, because he had a high spinal cord injury, which the results were he's a quadriplegic.
And after that, my life was different. Hard to explain. My life was going good until this guy put me in this chair.
You want some more drink?
Yeah. I can't walk, I can't work, and I can't go out and do the things I used to do.
And so for him to be here bowling with us is great. He's basically a miracle. I mean, we didn't think he would be back. So we're very happy that he's able to continue doing what he likes to do in his leisure.
Yep, butter. Now you have to remember it.
Yes.
He and his respite provider talk to each other about how they can change the way the ball goes. If it's going one way, then they know they have to turn the ramp and turn the ball.
A little bit this way.
Okay.
We're fortunate that he survived and that he can do as much as he can.
See, you did good this turn. Come on.
It's different for him now, so he has to use a ramp. He has to have somebody help him put the ball on the ramp. But the important thing is that everybody's born with the right to have recreation and leisure, a sense of belonging and being able to do something that you enjoy.
He did bowl with some of the same people now that he bowled with prior to his accident.
Boom shakalaka. Gary, that was good.
He's a gentle soul, and he's normally pretty happy, even with his situation.
Don't give up, and try your best at what you can do. Don't feel sorry for yourself.